Are you hungry? Are you a hungry puss? Yeah? Where are you going? This cat is not a wild cat, and she is after food as per usual. But more than usual. Aren't you, Cleo? Her overactive thyroid is acting up again. Yes, it is. Hey, Cleo. Isn't that right? Sorry, Cleo, can't feed you. You've already been fed, haven't you? Eh? She's getting a good scratch here, as you are. So, Cleo, tell us your story. Do you have any stories to tell? Eh? Cleo. See, this is what she's expecting, some food in there, but she's not allowed. You've already been fed, Cleo. Yes, you have. Eh? Haven't you? Yes, you have. Oh, she's a big sick. Aren't you? You're a big sickie. Say hello. You want to say hello to the camera, Cleo? Eh? What, are you shy? Are you shy, Cleo? I take that as a yes. It is a shy pussycat. Yeah? Where's your meow gone? Sorry, you can't have any food. What a big sick you are. You okay? Is that a yes? Say bye-bye, Cleo. Say bye-bye. You gotta say goodbye. Oh, she's given up, haven't you? For moving about. Just hoping and waiting and saying, will you hurry up? Hey, Cleo. Isn't that right? Yes? Oh, she's such a lady crossing her paws.